Yo motherfucker, today I show you new update in Mirage. Go to the city. There are very big update. There are added arrows for rangers. There is it. There are lots of arrows, 7 tips. There are wooden arrows, stone arrows, elven arrows, frozen arrows, fire arrows, royal arrows, power arrows. There are very expensive arrows. Next at new Python, it's big health Python. It's at 50 health. It's expensive and I not need it. I buy some food like that. Next I show you my items to sell. This is my build. This is my items. This is my backpack. And that is all. Thanks for watching and goodbye, bitches.